Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable developer mode in Zen Browser. First thing I want you to do is just launch up your Zen Browser, and what I want you to do after that is here at the top left, you'll see these three dots. I want you to just go ahead and click on this, and now you get this drop down menu, and from here what you need to go ahead and do is just come here and click on more tools, and this will lead to more options. And as you can see, we have browser tools, and here you'll see developer tools. So we click on this one, web developer tools. Of course, there is a shortcut as well. You can go ahead and use this one right here, control plus shift plus I. So you just click on that, and this is your developer mode. You have all of these options, including console, the debugger, network, all of that right here. Really that easy. You can close this like this as well. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.